Sometimes our assignments require us to download a file, save it, and then upload it. For here, in the assignment we're doing today, it says in order to complete question 5, you will need to download the Boring Fact Microsoft Word file, and then we're going to save that and re-upload it into Kinnum. To download a file, you will click under where it says attachments and download the file you need to download. So I'm going to click boringfact.docx. And that makes a box up here pop up. I'm going to open that box. Sometimes you'll get a little yellow bar right here, and it'll tell you you're not able to type in there until you hit enable. So there will be a little gray box here. You'll click enable, and then you're at that point able to type inside this document. So here, my name, I'm going to put Miss Barnett. An incredibly boring fact about myself: I read 2 books per month or more. Have fun with this one. Try to come up with like just the most boring fact about yourself as you can. Then you will have to save this document again. So you're going to click this little button that has save on it. It's just a little disc. Click save. That has now saved this as boring fact. So what I'm going to do now is go back to my Kinnum orientation, and it's time for me to upload. So let's look at question 5. It says I can drag and drop to attach the files, or I can file upload. So if I were to have just saved that, I could have clicked save as and saved it to the desktop, and it would have been easy for me to find. I could just drag that over, or I can hit file upload. And now I can search boring fact. If it doesn't show up here, I'm going to move from desktop to documents. I have one right here. It shows that it was saved at 2:18 a.m. And since it's 5:04 p.m. on my computer, that's not going to be the correct version of this file. So I'm going to look in downloads, and most likely that's where yours is going to be. You'll see the date it was made and then when it was last saved, 5:04 p.m., which is right now. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to hit open. That saves that here. Now I'm going to click on it, and it's going to re-download the file. I'm going to open it and look at it again, and it did save my changes. So now I could hit submit on my assignment, and I know that my assignment, I'm not turning in a blank document.